Hello, how are you doing today? Teresha Young here, relationship master coach, and I am back with another real relationship talk tip for you. I hope that you're having a great diamond doesn't start to your week and taking great care of yourself and other people. For this week's real relationship talk tip, I would like to talk to you about the old saying that you probably have heard: you can't pour from an empty cup. Now, what does that mean exactly? Well, we are living in such a fast-paced, busy world where we are always told to work hard, keep going, but sometimes that we can get tired, feel drained, feel depleted. Sometimes we may even lack clarity of thought because we are not taking care of ourselves. So that saying that you can't pour from an empty cup means that you're not filling yourself up. You're not taking care of yourself. And that's not good. We have to be taking care on ourselves day in, day out, in whatever way that means. It could be mind, body, spirit. We have to find ways in order to nourish and take care of our energy, because we cannot give to other people what we have not got within ourselves. We cannot pour from an empty cup. And what I like to say is that we want to be pouring from the overflow. We don't want to be diminishing our energy. Hell no. We want to be given from the overflow. So how exactly can you do that for yourself? Because I understand you may have parenting responsibilities. I do. I'm a parent to a beautiful 4-year-old daughter. But it's important that she gets the best of me. And the only way she gets the best of me is when I'm giving the best to myself. So I make sure that on a daily basis, I do something for me. Now, what might that be? Well, there's a variety of things that I do. But one of my favourite things to do is to have an Epsom salt bath with candles, rose petals. Sometimes I even drop in a couple of my healing gemstones, the ones that can go in water. And sometimes I put in a little bit of essential oils as well, ones that don't burn your skin. But that's a way for me to really connect with myself and to be at peace and to feel relaxed. I might even play some music or do a meditation whilst I'm inside the bath. That's how I take care of me. I also love walking in nature and going to little lakes where there's geese and there's just beautiful things to observe. I love listening to music, vibrant music that helps to uplift me, that fills me up, that makes my heart sing. I do that thing. So I would encourage you to think about ways in which you can nourish yourself. How do you take care of your body? Does it mean you drinking more water, staying hydrated, exercising, doing a bit of, I don't know, a class or something like that, yoga, breathing techniques, whatever that is, spiritually as well. How do you connect spiritually if you feel that you are a spiritual person? I love connecting with my angels. I'm a certified angel guide and I love doing that as well. That nourishes me spiritually. So I would encourage you to really find ways on a daily basis to make sure that your cup is filled so that you can give from the overflow, as I stated before. And not only will that benefit you, not only will that help you to stay in your empowerment and your personal power, other people around you will benefit from that lovely, nurturing energy that you have given to yourself, and you can therefore give to other people in all areas of your relationships, whether that be romantic, whether that be your parenting relationship, whether that's family, whether that's friendships, whether it's professional or any sort of acquaintances. Believe me, everybody will feel it, and most importantly, you. So that's it for this week's real relationship talk tip. I would love to hear ways that you take care of yourself. How do you right now make sure that your cup is filled? And if there isn't anything that you're doing at the moment, is there anything that you're thinking of right now? Please share. We can all learn from each other. So that's it for this week's real relationship talk tip. I'll be back next week for another one. In the meantime, take great care of yourself. Keep your cup filled. Pour from the overflow. And I will catch up with you next week. Much love to you.